How to see story archive on Facebook. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Facebook application. Then tap on your menu bar from your top right corner. Now scroll down and then go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down, then go to Settings. You should see an option of Archive over here. If you cannot find it, go back and then here you will find an option of Memories. You can also find your archive here. Go back and tap on this three dot. Here you will see an option of Archive. Go to Archive, select Story Archive and all your stories will appear over here. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.